Hello all, in the previous video we have learned how we can do the Swagger configuration in Spring Boot 3.x version. Now in this video I'll teach you how we can change the description at the class level and also at the method level. Okay, so let's explore it. So as you can see at the class level, as you can see as of now it is showing employee REST controller, and at the method level API employee save. So if by referring this we are not going to get somewhere, we are not getting like what this endpoint is going to do. So we are going to give some description or title for this. So let's explore how we can do it. Now, as you can see, I have opened employee REST controller. Here I am going to give this description at the class level. So just for that we have an annotation named as a tag. In this we are going to give the description like employee, or I will give employee application of employee application, and for the method level I will give annotation operation. Okay, so here we need to define summary. So in the summary I will write created one employee. Okay, so as you can see at the class level I have I have written one annotation named as a tag. In this I have given the description employee application, and at the method level I have given one annotation like operation, and in this I have given some summary like creating one employee. So let's explore it. Okay, now I came into the web browser, just run it. As you can see, employee application, and this is at this class level, and in the method level endpoint creating one employee. That's all. Bye bye.